Hello dear students, I Dr. Rupali Sethi have started my journey in the subject of stereochemistry in my earlier videos. उसी के रेफरेंस में आज मैं आपके लिए डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन लाई हूँ ऑन स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री. सो दिस इज़ माय थर्ड वीडियो. मेरे पिछले वीडियो में दो वीडियोस में एक में आपने कंसेप्ट समझा था स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री का, देन हमने प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस की थी रिलेटेड टू द RS एंड DL कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. And now it's time to do some demonstration for easy understanding of the subject. आज मैं आपके लिए chirality, handedness, eclipsed और staggered conformation और किस तरह से ग्रुप्स बल्कि ग्रुप्स आने से steric hindrance हो जाता है and the conformation changes. So keep sticking to your seats and I would like to grab your attention because this is a very small video and my first attempt to make it more interesting for you to understand stereochemistry. So here we go. So as you know that our hands are like these are my two hands, and if you place a mirror in the center, if you feel that there's a mirror in the center, then you can say that the two hands are mirror images to each other. But if I place one hand on the other hand, they are not superimposable. So you can see the two thumbs on my right and the left side are sticking out. So if I would like to demonstrate this and make a structure, so if one of my hand is like this, and the other hand, this is the, like you can say that this is this hand, and the other hand if I make, then it is like this. So the two hands are like this as I have made in the figure, but if I made one thumb over here extra, as you can see, and one thumb over here, like not on this side but on this side, this thumb, if it sticks out, now you can place, and if you feel that there's a mirror in between, then you can very easily put one hand on the other. That means in this case the mirrors are superimposable. It is superimposable, that means it is not chiral. So handedness का मतलब क्या होता है कि if the right hand does not superimpose on the left hand, जैसा कि मैंने अभी देखा इस तरह से हम लोगों ने कि राइट हैंड और लेफ्ट हैंड एक दूसरे पर सुपर इम्पोज नहीं करते हैं. सो दिस इज नोन एज हैंडेडनेस एंड दिस इज नोन एज chirality. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट, शो यू सम डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन on the groups. That is, you can say I'll show you something about this molecule. So as you can see over here that this is the carbon atom, this is another carbon atom. So these are the two carbon atoms, and the groups sticking out, you can say these are the three groups which are sticking out. As you can see that these three groups are different from each other, and this structure, as you can see from this angle, as you can see in the video, like if you're seeing this from here, if you're seeing the first carbon over here and you're seeing this last one, you are not able to see it. The red ball is hidden by the red ball, the green is hidden by the green, the white is hidden by the white ball. And as you can see, or if you can feel that this is an inverted V, and the back structure is also inverted V, and this structure is the eclipsed form. So this is the eclipsed form where they are just overshadowing each other, but since the carbon atom to this atom which is linked is a single bond, and if I rotate this and if I rotate it in this manner, so now you can see from here that, as you can see very easily, that all the three atoms over here and the three at the back, they all are exposed to each other. Like if you see through the first one and you see the last one, all the six atoms are visible, 3 on the first carbon and 3 on the rear carbon. So this is the front carbon and this is the rear carbon, which you can see, and very easily you can see this is the eclipsed form of the structure. Now since these atoms can very easily be replaced, so by bulky groups, maybe they're not hydrogens, if these atoms are replaced by bulky groups, so I'm just going to show you one more structure in which you see over here, as you can see over here in this structure, this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, and this is the, you can say, a CH3 group. As you can see in this video, this is a CH3 group carbon, and to this are attached the 3 hydrogen atoms. So now this is the bulky group which is attached on one of the carbons. It can be the front carbon, it can be the rear carbon. So this makes the structure, it is in the eclipsed form. We can make it in the staggered form also, like we can just rotate it over here like this, and now this becomes a staggered. But since the presence of the bulky group makes the structure little unstable, and if you introduce, like this is, you can say this is 1 carbon, this is 2, this is the 3rd carbon, so you can call it as propane. So this is the stereochemical structure of propane, as you can see, and as I am showing it over here, this is the stereochemical structure of propane. And as another over here, you can see the video, like this structure, as you can see, if I remove this one and I place this one on this, so now you see this is one CH3 group at first carbon atom, and there's another CH3 group at the other carbon atom, but the 2 CH3 groups are on the same side. They are on the same side, you can say. So since they are on the same side, they will repel each other, they will not be comfortable. So you can, if they are on the same side, so since there are 4 carbon atoms, then the structure is butane, as I am writing it over here. This is butane, and these 2 are on the same side, then that means the structure is a syn structure, syn. But if I rotate and if I bring one of the bulky groups on the other side, as I am showing it over here, as I am going to show it to you over here. Now as you can see, now the bulky groups are on the opposite side. See, they are on the, now as you can see, the bulky groups are on the opposite side, like this CH3 group and this CH3 group, they are on the opposite side. So now you call the structure as an anti, and anti means opposite to each other, and opposite means it is stable in the stereochemistry form. So the structure anti form is more stable than the syn form, as you can see from this video. So I think these 3 structures which I have told you about, the syn anti structure, is clear to you all, and I hope like in future my videos on syn, anti and other videos will be helpful to you in understanding the structure on stereochemistry. So this video will focus, this video has focused upon the syn structure, the anti structure, the syn. I have told you about the syn, the anti, about eclipsed, the staggered form, as well as I have told you about the chirality, or you can say the handedness. So I hope this video will be very much helpful to you, and I'll be coming up with this new demonstration upon these demonstration structures. So I thank you so much for listening to this video, and hope it interests you and keep you engrossed in whatever I am saying, and maybe helping you to learn more. Thank you so much.